Hi, my name is Dan. I'm General Manager at Walser Subaru St. Paul. Today was a great day. We actually had a chance to sit down with the Leukemia Lymphoma Society as well as Regents Hospital to spend some time giving back to some people that really need some help. Every year, Subaru has a variety of different programs, including Subaru Loves to Care. This year, we were able to give out 80 different heart-shaped blankets for people while they're on infusions. This is one of the toughest things about going through leukemia and lymphoma, mainly because while you're sitting there for 2, 3, 4 hours being infused, it gets very cold. So these blankets are there to help keep them warm. Not only that, we went around and collected messages of hope from the staff, from customers, to help encourage them through their recovery process. We also were able to donate 30 patient care kits. These are additional things that heating pads, cold pads, water bottles, just little things to help that they might need while they're going through their infusions. We were also able to provide $2,500 to the LLS Urgent Need Pediatric Support. This helps people that need assistance with things like food or transportation or housing while they're going through their recovery. The last thing they need to be worrying about is how are they going to get there when they're just trying to get healthy. So this is the 10th year that Subaru has partnered with the Leukemia Lymphoma Society. And so far, they've been able to help nearly 500,000 cancer patients nationwide since 2016. This is really a great program. Gives us a great feeling of satisfaction to know that not only are we helping people that are in need, but they're also people that are in our community. These people are not only our customers, but they're our neighbors. So we want to make sure that if we have something that we can do to help, that we can. And so I'm really looking forward to continuing this tradition, and after 6 years of doing it, hope for many, many more. So we'll look forward to doing it again next year.